wanna get in the tub.
Absolutely not.
Yeah, come on. I got a rotating jet with your ass's name on it.
I'm not gonna do it, so just leave me alone, okay?
What's wrong, Francine?
What have you done with my husband?
You better get in this tub, Francine.
No, I will not.
Get over here. Give me back my wife. I thought getting your family out of here was enough, but they're still on your mind. So I got to get them off this earth. Oh, damn. No! Why are you doing this? That family was going to take you away from me, just like before. What are you talking about? Well, I was custom made for Joe Nakaj. What? Joe was the founder of Joe Ash Jeans. He was a serious bachelor, man. We threw wild parties, had incredible times. Until Joe met a girl. They had a family and started using me less and less. Eventually, not at all. And that's what happens to hot tubs when you have families. They don't get used as much. So I killed Joe's family. Are you crazy? Of course people choose families over hot tubs. You know what? You can be with your wife again because you'll both be dead. Once you get back to the hot tub, we'll get some blood now. We need you stand. Don't want to be my wingman fine. I just carry out my evil plan. I got a house on the phone number call some bitch that I don't know too well. Don't want to watch it with me. You and your wife can both go to other side. Hot tub. I got it. Locked up. Your mind hot. And your soul. I'm in control. Don't get crazy. I'm letting the road. What? I stand.
When the tub gets out of control, just use some of the spa down to calm it down.
Well, there you have it. That's our story. Stan's dead. Good night.
We can take it slow into outer space.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.